Hey everyone, let's explore human evolution. From primates on all fours to walking upright, then using tools and becoming modern humans. That's evolution!
Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus, approximately equals 15 million years ago. Down-pointing arrow hairy primates that walk like gorillas and chimpanzees. Down-pointing arrow. Ramapithecus was more human-like, while Dryopithecus was more ape-like. Down-pointing arrow. Human-like fossils were discovered in Ethiopia and Tanzania. Down-pointing arrow. These fossils suggested that about 3 to 4 million years ago, man-like primates walked upright in East Africa. Down-pointing arrow. Their height was probably less than about 4 feet. Down-pointing arrow. Australopithecus, approximately equals 2 million years ago, lived in the East African grasslands. Down-pointing arrow. They hunted with stone weapons, but their main food was fruits. Down-pointing arrow. Some fossils showed different features. Right-pointing arrow considered the first human-like hominid. Down-pointing arrow. This was called Homo habilis. Down-pointing arrow. Brain size about 650 to 800 cc. Down-pointing arrow. They probably did not eat meat. Down-pointing arrow. In 1891, fossils were discovered in Java. Down-pointing arrow. These fossils showed the next stage. Right-pointing arrow. Homo erectus, approximately equals 1.5 million years ago. Down-pointing arrow. Brain size about 900 cc. Down-pointing arrow. They probably ate meat. Down-pointing arrow. Next came Neanderthal humans. Down-pointing arrow. Brain size about 1400 cc. Down-pointing arrow. They lived in the Near East and Central Asia about 100,000–40,000 years ago. Down-pointing arrow. They covered their bodies with animal hides and buried their dead. Down-pointing arrow. Later Homo sapiens arose in Africa and spread to different continents. Down-pointing arrow. This led to the development of different human races. Down-pointing arrow. During the Ice Age, 75,000 to 10,000 years ago, modern Homo sapiens developed. Down-pointing arrow. Around 18,000 years ago, prehistoric cave paintings were created. Down-pointing arrow. Example, Bimbetka rock shelters. Down-pointing arrow. Around 10,000 years ago, agriculture began. Down-pointing arrow. Human settlements start. Down-pointing arrow. After this, the history of human civilization, growth and decline, began.
ऐसे ही वीडियो और शॉर्ट्स देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करो बायोटिप्स नीट को।